business?
Yeah, it definitely crossed my mind, but it's a huge risk to leave a stable job and start from scratch.
I agree, starting a business here under talking, and we need to make sure we're fully verified before talking the flow.
That's true, but think about the potential rewards. We could be our own business and have the freedom to run things our way.
I get that, but there's also the possibility of failure. We need to have a solid business plan in place and make sure we have enough funding to sustain us until we start turning a profit.
Absolutely, we need to do our research, identify a make gap, and come up with a clear profession to differentiate ourselves from competitor.
Mm, And we need to be prepared to put in work because starting a business takes a lot of time, effort, and energy.
And if it doesn't work out, we need to have a backup plan in place. We can't just quit our jobs and hope for the best.
That's a good point. We need to have a clear, accurate strategy in casting done good as planned.
Agree, but if we do it right, we could be looking at really successful printer.
I'm definitely interested in exploring this further, but we need to make sure we're fully prepared before taking any big steps.
Okay, that's a great attitude. Let's go our diligence and see where this takes us.
Okay, thank you.